Hello, I'm Lucy Jennings from the Creativity Patch. Come along with me and let's do some happy weaving. Now that you understand about splicing, let me show you a much faster way of preparing your fabric strips. Just take both ends and lay them on top of each other like so. And then just at the same time, you can just make your taper. And you can even get a few of these strips ready at a time. So you don't have to keep stopping and cutting all the time. I've got the same embroidery floss that I used at the bottom of the weaving, and just like we learned in part 3, I'm measuring out 4 times the width of the weaving. Now it's a little bit tight quarters up here, so it's kind of handy to use your tapestry needle to help you pull it up and through. See how I'm making a little loop, pushing it under, and grabbing it with my tapestry needle. Little loop, push it under, grab it with the tapestry needle. Okay, I'm at the other end now. I'm going to kind of coax this little warp thread over a little bit. He's gone too far that way. I'm going to coax him over a little bit. And then I'm going to tie it off on this end in a knot. Pull it tight on both ends, and just like we did in the bottom, trim it off. We are finished weaving. The next step is we're going to take it off the loom. We're going to finish off the ends and prepare it to hang and embellish it with a bead. It's going to be fun. We'll see you there. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to learn more about weaving, subscribe to my channel. And be sure to check out my website, The Creativity Patch. There's lots more things to learn there, and I've got some really fun weaving kits. See you there, and happy weaving!